Welcome everyone, I'm the Stage Tech Tinkerer. This video will show you all the features of my wireless DMX floor lamp kit. This kit allows you to turn on and off a floor lamp without any cables or tethers attached. It is intended for short periods of use on stage, and it runs entirely on batteries. This is what the kit looks like after installation. Installation requires a floor lamp, a 12-volt light bulb, 8 AA batteries, or an optional rechargeable battery, some type of glue, and a few tools. Please watch for my upcoming installation video for more information. This kit requires a DMX lighting console and a wireless DMX transmitter to operate. I've designed a wireless DMX transmitter to pair with it. Please watch my wireless DMX transmitter video for more information. This kit does not use dimmers. It uses relay switches that can only turn the lamp on or off. The kit is about 2 inches deep and comes in diameters of 12 inches, 14 inches, and 16 inches. The kit diameter should be at least 3 inches larger than the diameter of your floor lamp base. The batteries and DMX address dip switches are accessible under the bottom cover. The battery pack is removable for quick changes when necessary. The 5.5 by 2.1 millimeter charging port is to be used with a rechargeable battery. Do not use the charging port with AA batteries. This kit is designed to work with 12-volt light bulbs up to about 10 watts. Upgrading to a rechargeable battery can bring that up to about 20 watts. I will make a video on how to install a rechargeable battery soon. A built-in fuse protects the batteries and electronics. A mini voltmeter shows the voltage of the battery. In test mode, the lamp will light up even without a DMX source. There are 7 4.2 GHz wireless DMX groups to choose from. In DMX mode, the lamp will turn on by bringing the DMX address over 50%. This kit uses one DMX address. This is how my wireless DMX floor lamp kit gives you the ability to turn a floor lamp on and off without any tethers or cables. Please leave a comment if you have any questions. Check out my next video to learn how I fabricate a floor lamp kit from scratch. Thanks for watching. If you would like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to my channel.